Hey there, is your Lenovo tablet stuck on a black and white display and you're not sure how to fix it? Worry not. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how to fix your Lenovo tablet display that is black and white. With a few simple adjustments, you'll have your tablet back to full color glory. Step 1. Check grayscale settings. The first thing to check is whether your tablet is in grayscale mode, which can turn the display black and white. Navigate to Settings. Tap on the Settings app on your home screen. Select Display. Go to Display Settings where you'll find various options. Look for Grayscale. Sometimes under an Accessibility section, check if the grayscale toggle is on. If it is, switch it off to restore color to your display. Step 2. Inspect color correction options. If grayscale settings aren't the issue, check the color correction settings. Navigate to Accessibility options. Go to Settings and then tap on Accessibility. Select Color Correction. Find color correction in the list of accessibility features. Review the setting. Make sure that color correction mode is set to off. If it's on for color blindness types like grayscale, disable. Step 3. Restart the tablet. A simple restart can resolve unresolved issues causing the display to appear black and white. Press the power button and hold it for a few seconds. Select Restart. Choose Restart from the options. If Restart isn't available, select Power Off and then turn the tablet back on after a few seconds. Step 4. Check for software updates. Ensuring your tablet runs the latest software version can resolve display problems. Go to Settings and select System. Open Settings and scroll down to System. Choose About Tablet and check for updates. Tap on About Tablet and then System Updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If previous steps haven't resolved the issue, a factory reset may be necessary. Be warned this will erase all your data, so ensure you back up important files. Open Settings and choose System. Choose Reset Options. Tap on Reset Options, then select Erase All Data or Factory Reset. Confirm your decision. Follow prompts to confirm your decision and wait for the tablet to reset. By following these steps, you can restore your Lenovo tablet's vibrant display and get rid of the black and white problem. Whether it was an accidental setting change or a software anomaly, these solutions should help. Remember, if you're still facing issues after trying these steps, reaching out to Lenovo support for further assistance might be necessary. Enjoy your tablet's vivid color display once again, and happy browsing.